Do you know some health benefits of cloves? Yes, cloves, the aromatic flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, have been cherished for centuries for their culinary and medicinal properties. These small spice powerhouses are not only renowned for enhancing the flavor of various dishes, but also for their numerous health benefits. From promoting digestion to supporting oral health, cloves offer a diverse range of advantages that make them a valuable addition to your daily routine. And so, in this video, we delve into 20 remarkable benefits of cloves that highlight their role in promoting overall well-being. But before we begin, if you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button to join us, and also the notification bell, so you get notified every time we upload a new video. And if you are already subscribed to this channel, we say thank you, and all our subscribers, for supporting our channel. And here is a disclaimer. This video is for general informational purposes only, and is no substitute for direct medical care or advice from a doctor or a qualified clinician. Alright, so here we go. 1. Cloves are rich in nutrients. Research has found that cloves are packed with essential nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, such as vitamin C and vitamin K, as well as minerals, such as manganese, all of which are, among other things, essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. 2. Cloves are an antioxidant powerhouse. Bear in mind that cloves are abundant in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress, as well as reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 3. Cloves have anti-inflammatory properties. Yes, the compounds found in cloves, particularly eugenol, exhibit potent anti-inflammatory effects that can aid in reducing inflammation in the body. 4. Cloves aid in digestion. Studies show that cloves can promote healthy digestion by stimulating enzymes and improving gastrointestinal motility, helping to alleviate issues like indigestion, as well as bloating. 5. Cloves relieve pain. Research has found that eugenol in cloves acts as a natural analgesic and can offer relief from toothaches, headaches, as well as muscle pain. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. 6. Cloves have antibacterial and antifungal properties. It has been discovered that cloves possess antimicrobial properties that can help fight off bacteria, viruses, and fungi, contributing to improved immune function. 7. Cloves regulate blood sugar levels. Yes, some compounds in cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels, as well as improve insulin sensitivity, making them potentially beneficial for those with diabetes. 8. Cloves support heart health. Studies have revealed that cloves may support cardiovascular health by improving blood circulation, reducing blood pressure, but also lowering cholesterol levels. 9. Cloves promote respiratory health. Keep in mind that the anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of cloves can provide relief from respiratory issues, such as coughs, colds, and bronchitis. 10. Cloves boost immunity. Research has discovered that cloves' high antioxidant content and immune-boosting properties can contribute to strengthening the body's defense mechanisms. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. 11. Cloves support cognitive function. Also keep in mind that the compounds in cloves have been linked to improve brain health, potentially enhancing memory, focus, as well as cognitive function. 12. Cloves enhance oral health. Yes, cloves have long been used for their oral health benefits, including alleviating toothaches, reducing bad breath, but also promoting gum health. 13. Cloves aid in weight management. Indeed, some studies suggest that cloves may support weight management by increasing metabolic rate as well as fat oxidation. 14. Cloves support joint health. Yes, it has been discovered that the anti-inflammatory properties of cloves can provide relief from joint pain as well as inflammation, potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis. 15. Cloves promote skin health. Many studies have found that the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects of cloves can contribute to healthier skin, reducing signs of aging, and promoting a radiant complexion. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. 16. Cloves have anti-cancer potential. Yes, some research indicates that the compounds in cloves may have anti-cancer properties and inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. 17. Cloves provide menstrual pain relief. Recent studies have found that cloves' analgesic properties can offer relief from menstrual cramps and discomfort. 18. Cloves support liver health. It has also been discovered that cloves may help support liver health by promoting detoxification as well as protecting liver cells from damage. 19. Cloves ease nausea and vomiting. Yes, keep in mind that cloves have been used traditionally to alleviate nausea and vomiting, making them a potential natural remedy for morning sickness. 20. Cloves reduce stress and anxiety. Also bear in mind that the aroma of cloves is believed to have soothing effects that can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. Do you have any other benefits to add to the list? If you do, feel free to add them in the comments section below. And in conclusion, bear in mind that from their aromatic allure to their impressive array of health benefits, cloves are a true gem in the world of natural remedies and culinary delights. And 2, whether incorporated into your cooking, brewed as a comforting tea, or used in essential oil form, cloves offer a host of advantages that contribute to improved well-being. Now, 3, as with any supplement or natural remedy, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. And so, 4, embrace the holistic power of cloves and savor the myriad benefits they bring to your life. Finally, if you find value in this video, like the video, and remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified of new uploaded videos on this channel. Thank you for watching.